In 2011, I did a routine checkup. Primary care physician at that time asked me to just take a fit test. For those who don't know what a fit test is, it involves taking a small swab of your fecal matter to be sent out. I didn't think it was really important because everything else health-wise was good. And after doing it, that's when I got a call back from my doctor letting me know that something wasn't quite right. It was a little abnormal. After a colonoscopy was done, she came back to tell me that there appeared to be some blockage there and that she wanted to do just a minor surgery. And I woke up to an oncologist standing next to me and telling me that you have stage 3B colorectal cancer. And not only do you have stage 3B colorectal cancer, but you've had it for 15 years.
One thing we know about colon cancers in general is that they are typically very slow growing. So we can see colon cancers that have been present for years that have never been detected because people don't have any symptoms. Especially in people who have a strong family history of cancers, it is incredibly important, not only for your sake, but also for your children, your brothers, your sisters, to really know your family history as much as you can, because that can really have a direct impact on when you should be getting screened for cancers, how often you should be seeing your doctor, and whether you yourself should be getting genetic testing.